Hi everyone. Let me show you this new open source project that I have built. This is an open source evaluation platform for your voice agents. We all are building a lot of voice agents. Most of us are using ElevenLabs, Vapi, and a lot of other tools. And if I go to ElevenLabs today, I've built this agent. If I go to the conversations page, it will show me that my agent has done all these conversation, and on the name of evaluation, I can just see that all these calls were successful except one, which is marked as error. And when I'll actually listen to these calls, I'll get to know what went wrong. These calls were not actually helpful or not helpful for my customers, right? So to fix this problem, I built this VaaniEval, which is an open source project where you can import your conversations from different agent providers, like voice agent providers, and you can evaluate them over here. And you will get a dashboard like this. Like I imported 6 calls, out of which the average quality score, I can clearly see that my score is just 72 out of 100. There are 4 calls that needs attention. 11 labs is showing me that all the calls are successful, but there are 4 calls which needs attention, and the pass rate is just 33%. And similarly, I can see a lot of other metrics here like task completion, which is one of the most important metrics for your voice agent. My agents are just scoring 50 out of 100 here. And intent understanding, my agents are good at it. Like it is able to understand the intent of the user. It is able to capture the required info, but that also just 60% of the times. And if I can also see the details of the agent performance here, like how I have 2 agents, how those two are working. I can click on review calls. I can see a QA pass trend, a quality score, the call duration, which is also another good metrics to track for voice agents. We can track all these metrics and many more in VaaniEval. Like if you think there is a matrix which we are not tracking, you are always free to create a new issue here, and I will be happy to add it. And then like I can import all the conversations here. Like I have imported all the 3 agents. I can see it here. Like one is from 11 Labs, 2 are from Vapi. Similarly, if you have to import one more agent, you can just go here, you can click on add provider, and you can like connect your provider, and then that's all, right? And you also need to connect a OpenAI model. We are just supporting OpenAI models now, and we will start supporting more models in future. And you just need to add your API key for the model, which will be used to evaluate your calls. Okay. And then after evaluation, the calls will look like this. Like these are the calls, actual conversation that needs attention on the first page. Like this conversation got a score of 50 out of 100, where for task completion it got 0. And it was able to understand the intent of the user, which is 80. Human-like delivery, good at it, fine. But I need task completion and required info capture, which is very bad for this call. According to ElevenLabs, this was a very good call, but here it clearly says that my evaluation says that it was not a good call, right? Similarly, I can also look at the past call, like, okay, these 2 conversations were quite good. I can see why they passed, what was the task completion score, and then fix the weakest behavior and all those things. I can see the complete score here. Okay. And yeah, this is what we can do. There are multiple filters that we can use to filter the conversations. I think this is all about this VaaniEval. I'll keep on adding more features and I'll keep on making more videos on this. So as the product progresses. Thank you for watching this.